Framer just dropped 4 absolutely game-changing tools, and I mean it. From AI-powered layouts to Figma-style vector editing, this update blurs the line between design, code, and testing. If you're a UI/UX designer, this is your sign to pay attention. Let's break each one down, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the AI part. First up, wireframer. Blank canvases are the worst, right? Framer fixes that with AI that auto-generates a tailored layout from your prompt. You get a solid starting point, headers, hero sections, CTAs, and you can tweak everything with chat. No dragging boxes around, no guessing margins, just smart, editable structure. And if you think this AI stuff stops here, wait till you see what Framer builds next. That's my next video. Next, workshop. It's like vibe coding in ChatGPT, but natively inside Framer. Type a prompt and it spits out fully editable React components, already styled with your fonts, spacing, and colors. Need to test changes? It supports diff-based rollbacks, so you can iterate without breaking anything. Framer's new vector tools, they feel like Figma, but with superpowers. You can draw directly on the canvas, group icons into sets, and use variables to control size, color, and style. But the real flex, you can animate these vectors. Think micro interactions, animated logos, or responsive icons. Finally, advanced analytics and A/B testing built right in. You can drop a tracking ID on any link or button, test 2 versions of your text or layout, and instantly see the results in a clean visual dashboard. No scripts, no external tools, your site stays fast, and you get real data without leaving Framer. So yeah, Framer didn't just update, it leveled up. From AI layouts to React components, smart vectors, and real analytics, this update is a full toolkit for modern designers. Subscribe and turn on notifications because in the next video, we're diving deep into Framer's AI magic and what it means for the future of design. I'll see you there.